Hi everyone, this is an introduction to working with basic keyboarding in Blackboard. So the first thing you need to do is go to stcc.edu, under eTools, select Blackboard. The next screen will ask you for your username and password. Your username is your first part of your email. Your password should be your student ID number. And then you'll select Basic Keyboarding OIT-100. And it opens up to an announcement page, and if you'll scroll down, there is a section with showing you what you'll do for the first week and the agenda of what you'll be covering. It looks like a lot, but it's just a breakdown of everything that you'll do. Where you'll find everything in Blackboard is on the left-hand side in links. So right now we're in announcements, and then the next step would be to go to course syllabus, and you'll review both the syllabus and the outline for the semester. And when you click the link, it's a hand pointing, it'll open as a Word document for both the course syllabus and the outline, which is a breakdown of what we'll do each week. Then you have your faculty contact information. You need to get a hold of me. And then we have a couple of first week links that you'll refer to. This is the SAM registration video on how to access your Cengage Unlimited code. If you scroll down a little bit in this video, there is a play button right here. It'll stay this size of the screen. If you want it to be full screen, you would click this link down here and it'll open up full screen. And it's under 3 minutes, the video on how to register with SAM access code. And then we have a couple of keyboarding videos that you'll refer to. They're only a couple minutes each. Keyboard placement chart, which is a PDF. It outlines how your fingers should be placed on the home row, and then what fingers you should use for all the new letters that you'll learn throughout the semester. There's an actual placement for each one. And this will be open all the time. You have My Grades, and it shows what's upcoming for the week, and you'll get out of a possible 100 points, you'll get your score. If you see a yellow exclamation, that means it needs to be reviewed by me. If you see a blue balloon, that's a comment. Just click that balloon and it'll share a comment with you. Then we have Cengage Links, your tech support, the student dashboard if you have other Cengage products. Here's that video again to register with your access code. And we'll get into this in a few minutes, a video reflection. You'll have one per day, or per week, I'm sorry, one per week. And your calendar, free Microsoft Office, if you would like to have access to the Microsoft Office 365, which is the Office Suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint Access. You just click this link, create a profile, and you'll be able to download it on your own computer. I have a couple of other resources down below. Zoom meeting links. These are reoccurring meetings every Monday and Wednesday and Tuesday and Thursday throughout the entire semester. They're not mandatory. They're just drop-in sessions. So if you have a quick question, you can come at any time, ask a question, and leave when you're comfortable. They're open, or you can email, but these are visual face-to-face. So as a Zoom meeting, and you can keep your video off if you'd like, that's fine, but it's a nice place to pop in and ask a quick question. They're not mandatory at all. This other link here is Vdi Access. This is new this semester with at STIC, and it's an amazing feature. It's virtual desktop infrastructure. So what it does, when you click this link, it'll take you to the STCC net portal where you'll have to sign in with your username and your password, and it'll actually take you to the desktop in the labs on campus in Building 2 computer labs, or Building 13 or 17. It takes you right to that computer lab. This is wonderful, especially if you're working with a Chromebook. Chromebooks do not support Microsoft Office. So if you needed to do anything in Microsoft Office, yes, we do have the free download, but it won't download on Chromebooks. So what you would do is click the top window, and you'd have access to all of the software applications that are available on campus right here on your desktop. Just make sure when you're finished working with the STIC desktop, make sure you go to the profile and end your session. So this is an amazing feature that is accessible on any computer, and it takes you to what you would see if you were sitting in front of the computers in the computer lab on the STIC campus. It's fantastic. I have a lot of stick resources, so you just click the link if anything that you would like to refer to. I have tried to keep it up to date, and anything that you can imagine is here. Sometimes it's hard to find it on the website. So let's start with our first week, week 1, lessons and tasks, and there's a little welcome to basic keyboarding, and the first thing I'd like you to do is to read the syllabus, then the outline, and this talks about the course material that you need, which is a Cengage Access code. Now, if you have any other class that is using a Cengage product, know that you only have to buy one access code and you can use it for all the other courses that are also using a Cengage product. You just add this virtual textbook to your dashboard. You'll create an account for the Cengage Unlimited registration video, a little brief bio, a little bit about me, and then you'll take your very first, this is the Cengage link, so if you actually click this link, it's going to ask you right away to create a profile in order to access the Cengage Unlimited software application. And you'll take a 2-minute timed writing. And I don't care how you type it, what it looks like, how fast, how slow you are, it's just a pre-test. And then it's not counted, there's no grade on it, it's just to see how you do the very first day. And then later on, at the end of the semester, we'll see how your skills have changed and developed over the course of this semester. So that's just for fun. When you see videos that I provide for you, you'll see it in this size right here. Usually people click this button here to get a full screen, but for some reason this button does not work to get full screen. But if you actually click the words, once you play the video, you actually click the words YouTube, it'll open full screen. So that's just a demo. If you open this up, it's a Word document giving you instructions on how to submit assignments. So the very first 2 assignments are, one's called capture a screenshot and then split screen assignment. So I just want to show you how to capture a screenshot. So it's a pretty neat tool that you may use throughout the semester. It's under 2 minutes. You watch the video and then you do exactly what I did. So once you've captured a screenshot and you saved it, you would submit it to me by clicking this link right here, create a capture a screenshot. Here's the due date, the possible points, there's the video. This is the part where you're submitting, so you click Browse My Computer, look for what you called the assignment, select it, open, and it comes under here as a file you're submitting to me. You can add a comment if you'd like or not, and then click Submit. So that's your first official, after the typing test, you'll submit the capture a screenshot, then you'll do a split screen assignment, and again it's just under a little over 2 minutes. You'll do exactly what was shown here and submit that. And then you have the videos, I talked about those, you'll watch those 3 videos. They're all under 3 minutes, so they're pretty quick. And they'll always be available if you ever want to view them again, they're always there. The other one is the placement chart. And it's a PDF file, I think it's 26 pages long, but it describes exactly what fingers will strike each key throughout the entire semester. So they're always available to you. And the last one is what's called a video link reflection. So you can click that. And you'll have 1 per week. So in this class, we will not be having a discussion board. Instead, it'll be a video link reflection. And what you will do is actually watch the video. And again, when you click play, you can click the words YouTube and it opens up full screen. I always give you the time. And then you'll open this Word document and you'll answer 1 question based on this video and you'll submit it. So there's 1 reflection that you do it's not shared with anyone, it's your personal view on each video. And these are, of course, incentives to help you as you proceed throughout the semester with watching your technique and learning this new wonderful skill. So they're pretty interesting, and you'll notice that there's a reason behind the way that they teach you how to type correctly, and they'll reinforce that information throughout the videos. So I think that's it for this week. If you have any questions, always send me an email, and I hope this semester, by learning this skill, it'll pay off in your future. Thank you.